guys, welcome to GT Musketeer. Another video, another vlog we are doing this afternoon. I just come from work and look what I have. Look, my hubby cleaned all this big tilapia. You see? And you know what? We're not going to cook curry with it. We're going to steam fish today. We're going to grill fish today. We're going to fry some fish today. It's all about fish today, but no curry. And Terry is cooking some nice white rice to go with the steamed fish. So come guys, let's start up the stove. Now we're going to throw our broth in the curry. So in here we're going to put some butter, we'll put some onion, and when it comes to a boil, then we're going to put the tilapia inside. It's like all the green celery, shallot, onion. Look at this, lemongrass, smells so good. Lime, lemon, and red chili. Look at this. We have this white tilapia. We're going to grill. I seasoned this already. We have like all the fresh green seasoning, the grind one. So I put it on. I put some red chili powder, some green season, thyme leaf, celery, and I stuff it with butter in here. Look, butter, shallot, lemongrass, all the good stuff. And now we can put some coconut oil over it. Throw some coconut oil over the fish. This is gonna be good, guys. Look at this. All right, looks good. Now we're gonna fold it nicely, and we gonna put it on the stove to grill. Put it on the stove to grill and slow heat. Hopefully it come out just perfect. All right, so this is coming to a boil, the broth. We gonna add butter to this. A lot of butter, okay? Slice up some onion. Alright, it's time to squeeze the lime lemon in the broth so you get this nice lime taste to the fish. There you go. Yeah, a lot of lemon lime mixture. Okay, good. Okay, look guys, now is the real thing going on here. Look, there you go. Oh my god, we barely fit inside the calamari. Wow, this looks so good. This looks so good. Get the gravy, the broth all over. So we'll cover this, guys. We'll cover it and let it cook. Slow heat. Wow, it's time to add 2 pepper to our steamed fish. Look at guys, look at this. It's boiling away. It smells so good. And look at this. You know the coconut oil that we put in this? We could smell the coconut oil. The aroma. Wow. So I'll give this a flip. There you go. Flip it over to the other side to cook. Still steaming away. Look. Steaming. It looks so good, guys. Smells so good, like butter, buttery, oniony, with nice broth. Just imagine with all the green seasoning at the end. Woo! Wow. Can't wait to see that. Ready for this. The fish is calling for the lemongrass. So there, we're gonna feed the fish with the lemongrass now. And something else I gotta throw. Oh, yep. We will throw some sprinkle a few whole jeera. We're gonna take a peep a peek in our grilled tilapia. See how it looks. If we are doing a good job. Woo! Wow, look at this, guys. Smells so good. This looks so delicious. I think this is done. Yeah, guys, this is done. Our grilled tilapia is done. We're gonna fry this. This is bass. Bass fish is a small one. It cut into 1, 2, 3, 5 pieces. So we're gonna fry this. I love to eat bass fried fish. It tastes so good. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Fish, the steamed fish is ready for some of this good, lovely seasoning. We will keep some when we ready to eat. We will garnish it with the rest of the seasoning. All right, that looks good. All right, look at this fish. Come closer, come closer. See our steamed fish? I just drizzle some fresh jeera. Some fresh jeera. Yep. Wow, this looks so good. So yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Oh my lordy, look at this. My steamed tilapia. Nice fresh herbs. Look at my rice. Terry cooked this rice. He put some coconut oil inside. It smells so good. And coconut milk. It smells so good. Look at this. My grilled tilapia. And the fried fish, the bass. There's so much to eat. I have a fish feast today. So alright, let's dig in, guys. Okay, let's start with this. Let's start with this, or tilapia. I think I got cut. Look at that. And then I can use my fork. Then I go get my gravy. Look at this. Get some all of this good stuff here. Wow, this is so delicious. This is so delicious. Get some seasoning in this rice. Get some more fish. This is so thick. Look at this flesh, guys. Look at this. Look at this. So good. All right, let's test this grilled fish now. Holy crap, look at this, guys. Oh my God, let me taste this now. Okay, let's taste our fish. Our fried fish. This is so good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye for now. Love you guys.